Alright, what's up? Today we're doing a bit of a different video. We're doing a video on my 1991 fully stock blaster, other than the FMF pipe, of course. We're going to do a cinematic video, and I'm going to make this into a complete series of me doing videos like this of the boys. Now, of course, my dad was recording, so big shout out to him for recording this. I was the rider, of course, because it's my blaster. Anyway, just want to thank you guys. I know I haven't posted in a while because of winter. We haven't been able to ride lately, and I want to say that after this video, my hands were complete ice cubes, but that doesn't matter, right? Just for all the entertainment. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's see how this beauty runs.
Jump on top of it.